Hi everyone, this is Ethan.
Hi, this is Ben.
Hi Ben, today I would like to discuss about RFID sticker with you.
How about we start from 3 normal stickers?
Yes, so what's cheap of those stick?
Low frequency is the TK4100, high frequency is the NTAC213, ultra high frequency NEH3.
Okay, so what size of theirs?
The diameter of the TK4100 and the NTAC213 are 25 millimeters. NEH3 is 73 times 20 millimeters.
Okay, what is the material of theirs antenna?
TK4100 is copper. The NTAC213 and the NEH3 are aluminum.
What is the material of the stick?
These all are the PVC material.
Okay, so how far about the reading distance?
TK4100 and the NTAC213 are from the 0 to 10 millimeter. NEH3 from 1 to 10 meters. We can have the test for NEH3.
Alright, let's go. This is the NEH3 stick. Now we do test the reading range.